Good afternoon, ACS community. Welcome back, and I hope you had a delightful winter break with your families. This week, many of our students are taking the MAP tests. You may not know that MAP stands for Measures of Academic Progress and allows us to see how individual students grow academically throughout their time at ACS. In addition, it allows us to compare their progress to similar students in other parts of the world. This is valuable information that our faculty use to guide the learning of each student. I also would like to announce some changes. Some are visible and some are not. First, you may soon notice some changes in our security personnel. The company that has been providing our campus security is going through some significant internal changes, so we are investigating alternatives. To keep security high in the meantime, we will be temporarily contracting with police officers to provide security at our campus in the interim. In addition, during the pandemic, we opened our large gates for entry and dismissal to accommodate our biosecurity procedures. Now that the entry procedures are no longer as complex, we can return to the safer option of only opening the small entry doors rather than the large gates. While these changes will be easy to see, there has been a very large change at ACS that has likely gone unnoticed. Nevertheless, this change will have a long-term impact on ACS and on the globe. ACS worked with Innovasol to install 108 solar panels on our roofs with no upfront cost to ACS. Not only will this project save ACS money on the energy that we buy, but it will also eliminate 711 tons of carbon dioxide that would otherwise go into the atmosphere over the next 25 years. Click on the video to get a glimpse of this incredible system that usually goes unseen. Finally, I'm very pleased to announce that we offered Ann Peterson the ACS Director of Learning and Teaching position, and she recently accepted. Ann brings a wealth of experience in leadership and curriculum from schools around the world to ACS. Of course, she won't join us until August. I look forward to giving you an opportunity to get to know her better very soon. In addition, we envision a hiring process for our elementary principal position very similar to the one that we used for the Director of Teaching and Learning position. We will again have interview panels for the candidates. This time, we'd like to invite elementary parents and elementary teachers to participate. Please consider using the link in my message to express your interest in participating in this important work that will guide the future of our elementary school. Have a great week ahead.